Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to get 1099 report in NetSuite. To get 1099 report in NetSuite, you'll use NetSuite's 1099 MISC/NE report feature, which allows you to generate and review 1099 forms for your vendors. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Install the 1099 report bundle. Go to Customization, Suite Bundler, Search and install bundles. Enter 1099 in the keywords box and hit search. Click the link to the 1099 bundle you prefer. Hit install. For discussion purposes, I have installed the bundle previously. Step 2. Mark vendors as 1099 eligible. For each vendor that needs a 1099 form, edit the vendor record. Under the Financial subtab, check the box 1099 eligible. Step 3. Ensure 1099 categories are set on expenses. Ensure the expense account or item used is linked to a 1099 MISC category. Here you can see my account type is set to expense, and a miscellaneous category has been selected. On my bill, status shows paid in full, and I also added the account to my expenses tab. Step 4. Run the 1099 report. Search the 1099 report you want to run. You can select MISC or NEC. Set the correct date range for the report. Here's the bill payment I showed earlier. And that's how you generate a 1099 report. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.